Just an honest form. I think dance has impacted the world on a way more positive note because we're able to, I don't know, I think about the people that aren't here, that don't dance, and for the most part, I really feel like that dance brings joy into their life. Maybe they may not understand it the same way we might, but for those that don't dance, most of the time when they see it, whether it's entertainment, it's art, it's live, it sends a message to them that either makes them think or feel something. And I think I love dance on the live platform where you're able to not just see it on a screen, but actually I mean, I think everything live is freaking amazing. So, I mean, what I mean is just like, seeing something live is more impactful than not.
Impactful, yes. Like the showcase yesterday, for example.
That just resonates because of the vibration that we have. Is you can actually feel that. And I think there's something that I read that's like, you can impact someone within your 5-foot radius. So, for example, we can impact each other through our vibration. And
absolutely.
Right. So us on the stage, and you guys are all connected there because you guys can feel each other's vibration there. So if you emit a negative vibration or a positive vibration, then you guys can sort of shift each other. So if you take that, what Salah was saying, negativity into positivity, then everybody's on a good vibe, right? Good vibes.
Sounds good.